We've got another beautiful log, not beautiful, but a good log for my log yard. It's 16 on the small end, 18 on the big end. So we're gonna call it 144 board feet at 16 feet long. We're cutting this into, just like another camp, we cut 5.5 inches by 10. I'll take 1.1/8 boards because I need 1.1/8 boards as well. We'll take a look at it. We got a couple knots. We do have a little inclusion right there with some bark growing in, but we'll see what we can get. This is not going to be a problem at all getting our can out of this. 15, I'm sorry. Sticker. You know what? I'm gonna move this. These are so long. All right, so let's pull that back. tension in this thing. So it's up about an 1/8. 6 5/8. Six 3/4. It's pretty close. Right at 5.5. So I'm right at 5.5. This is where we're gonna cut it. Okay, that looks good. Throttle up, go slow. Final cut. That went well. I think we got a really nice timber. So let's go check it out. I think I'm very pleased with how this turned out. But let's just double check. Nice board. All right, let's clean this up first. Then I'll give you guys a look. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow any of these cameras. It's windy out right now. I will cut this one. Only reason it might bite me in the end, but they're just so hard to handle, these long ones. So I'm cutting them in half. Right on 10. Oh man, right at 5.5. That is so nice, those set works. 5.5. And right, oh my gosh, so good. And right at 10. This should be 1.125 inches. Right at an 1.125 inches. All right. There we go. I'm gonna go pick out another log. Now I need 4 5.5s by 5.5s. So we're gonna go 11 feet long. We do have a swoop on this thing, but let's see where it's at. It's gonna be fine. We're just gonna throw it on. Fits, it fits. It's longer than 12 feet. Oh yeah, it's pretty long. Along with the power feeds, that's been the second best thing. Those two carriers, those 5.5 by 10s are done out of maple. That's what I spec'd them out with the formulas for them. Not going to do any more roof deck boards. Only because I'm taking 1.1/8" off flitches that got to get cut down, and there's a whole stack of them right there. That's going to really add to this pile, and several of those are over 14 inches, so we're going to get 2 of them. So I'm probably 2-3/4 of the way done with roofing deck boards. So when I get these uprights done, I need 4 5.5 by 5.5s by minimum of 11 feet. After I take all the flitches, cut-offs, and slabbing cuts off of it, open it up, I'm going to probably get another dozen boards, so I'm going to be really close to having enough boards. I got to double check, but I think the rafters are all done as well. So it's Friday. My wife just went away for the weekend. Where did she go? Oh, with her sisters and her mom. They're going to go celebrate. What are they celebrating? Oh, Mother's Day. They're a couple weeks late, but they're going to go rent a place and celebrate Mother's Day with my wife's mother, my mother-in-law. My wife has 2 sisters, and my son just signed on his new house today. I got to congratulate him. Congratulations, Garrett. You've done a lot in the last year. State Trooper School, became a state trooper. He's been on the road exactly a year now. Keep up the hard work, young man. You're doing great. You're making us proud. 2 great kids, a nice family. Just bought his second house. And he sold his first today, too. Not a easy time for kids in the market. So when I see kids being successful, it really makes me proud of them. You guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. Keep on milling if you have a mill. Keep on cutting, making firewood if you're doing chainsaw work. Just get out and enjoy the outside. I'm trying to do just a little bit every day. My back is still in pretty rough shape. I've alluded to my back problems, but I got some pretty significant ones going on right now. I'm powering through it though. It's not a big deal. It's I know many of you are facing the same situation. So I'm sitting in the chair. It got into the 70s today. I'll take it. But guys, we'll see you next time. Take care. Like, comment, subscribe.